In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a thumbnail for your YouTube video using your phone. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use an app called Pixel. Here is it. And to make it even better, I'm going to redesign the same thumbnail that you just clicked on. So I'm going to design a thumbnail which is exactly the same as the one that I had created for this video. So this is the first screen you open up to when you open Pixel, and I will first remove this text here. I don't need it, so click on this dustbin icon in the top left and agree to remove this object. Now YouTube thumbnails are 16:9 or maybe a resolution that is almost equal to that. So we are going to first set the image size. So go to the menu here, then click on image size. So presets, custom, here are some presets. You can use YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, or okay, like that. So the YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720. Click OK. Now next we have to change the background. I prefer to make my background white, so I'm going to click on this background icon down here. Then you can choose a color, then the color can you choose white. If you want something else, you can choose a gradient that you will create by yourself, or you can click on the add here and just make any kind of thing you want. If I want like a gradient, maybe circle, this is a straight line, I can choose it to be a circle. I can choose it to be like this, filling from up to down. Then I can drag it to the left with the center, whichever. So for this story, I'm just going to use a white background. Then next I will add the Pixel logo. So click on this plus, then from gallery, then choose the picture. Then I will just scale it down and place it up here. Next, as you noticed, I have a screenshot that is appearing on the right of the thumbnail, so I'm going to add it to using this same option from gallery. Then choose the screenshot and click OK, then size it down also. And place it there. Next is the text. So first I have a text that says YouTube. And another text which says thumbnail. And then you have one more text that says on your phone down here. If you're wondering how I'm entering in the text, just when you double click on this, double click on the text, and then you can edit it on your phone. Okay, now we are going to edit this text one by one. So I start with the YouTube. Okay, sorry. Click on it and then click on this A icon down here. This is what you can use to edit or deal with the text. Now scroll to the right, then you can change the size. So let's say this is the size we need. Click on the tick to save. Then the color, I just used red. There are many colors here. You can even add your own color from the color wheel. So I will choose red. Now go to the thumbnail. Okay, before that, click on the text again and let's set a font. In the thumbnail, I use this called Nevis. Then click OK. Okay, that's it. Then go to thumbnail. thumbnail. When you click on it, now you can edit it, starting with the size. You want to make it like that. Should be enough. I give it a font. It's Blogger Sans Bold. Okay. Then on your phone, this is the biggest text I have. So I moved the size. I increase it like that. So now go to the font. And I can give it what? Maybe let me give it chunk 5. Now I need to add some stroke. Enable the stroke, and then I will stroke red like that. You can increase the stroke width to whichever you want. That's it. Then I give it a shadow, and the opacity remains like that. The blur radius a little bit, and an outer glow. I don't need it, but you can use it if you want. And that's how it will look like. Okay, and then click save here. Okay, I assume at this point that I'm done. The rest you will navigate through the features of Pixelab to work around to make a screen a thumbnail that suits your needs. So once you are done editing, what we'll do is click on this menu option, and then we'll export the image. So the format JPG will have no transparency, and if you are exporting an image that has some transparent parts, you can choose PNG. So to avoid anything, let me just select PNG and click save to gallery. The image will be saved, and if you want to locate it on your file manager, you just come to documents. If you are on Android 12 and above, just go to the documents folder and you'll find Pixelab. If you are on Android 12, 10, 11 and below, then you can find somewhere here a folder named Pixelab, and that's where your images will be. So if I go to documents in Pixelab, I can find the thumbnail we just created here, and then you can view it. So that's it about the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a like.